Hello students, this is exercise 13.1 of chapter Surface Areas and Volumes of class 9. The question number 6. A small indoor greenhouse herbarium is made entirely of glass panes including base held together with tape. It is 30 cm long, 25 cm wide and 25 cm high. So this is of the cuboid shape. We can see here, after seeing the dimensions also, all are the three: length, breadth and the height are different. Yes. Now what is the area of the glass, that we need to find out. Yes. And how much tape is needed for all the 12 edges. Yes, so we need to find out the two different things. First of all, we need to find out the area of the glass. Then second thing, we need to find out the edges are joined together by using the tape. So we need to find out the how much tape is required or that is already used in making or in joining the 12 edges. Yes, so first of all, we need to find out the surface area. Let's draw the figure for this. This is the cuboid shape herbarium according to the question, and this is, of course, the top is also here and the including the bottom is also here. The length is equal to, that is, it is 30 centimeter long. The breadth is equal to 25 centimeter. So this is the length, this is the length, this is the breadth and this is the height. Yes, and the height is equal to, again it is 25 centimeter. Yes, so we need to find out the area of the glass. It means the what is the glass required. All the 6 faces are included here, 6 surfaces are included here. So we will use the total surface area. Yes, so what is the total surface area? Total surface area will equal to of cuboid of anything that is of the which shape, cuboid shape, that is twice of L into B plus breadth into height plus height into length. So we need to put the we need to put the values. That is equal to twice into L is, that is 30, into 25, that is breadth, plus breadth, that is 25, into height, that is again of 25, plus height, that is 25 into 30. Yes, now we need to calculate. Yes, that is equal to, that is 30 into 25, that is 5 3s are 15 and 3 2s are 6 and 7 50, plus 25 square, we know that 625, again 25 into 30, that is 750. Let add these all three, that is 750 plus 625 plus 750, that is equal to 2 into 5 2 1 2. Yes, so now we need to multiply. 5 2s are 10, 2 2s are 4 and 5, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Yes, so that is equal to 4250 centimeters square. Yes, now we need to find out we have already find out the area of the glass. Yes, that we have find out after finding the total surface area. Yes, now we need to find out how much tape is needed for all the 12 edges. Yes, let's draw this again. See, this is of the cuboid shape, and according to the question, every edge, this is the edge. Yes, this is joined by this tape. Yes, yes, so how many edges are there? There are 12 edges. Yes, how many edges? 12 edges. Yes, all are joined of the tape. Now we need to find out the total tape. It means we need to find out the sum of the tape. This plus this plus this plus this plus this plus this plus this. So we need to add all the edges. So what we can see, how many edges are there, how many length are there. See, 4 length are there. Yes, 4 length are there, and we can see 4 breadth are also there. Yes, 4 breadth are there, and 4 height are there. 4 3s are 12. Yes, but if we see the dimensions given to us, breadth and height are same. Yes, so we can write here, see, 4 into L plus 8 into, again we can write breadth or height, or yes, suppose I am writing breadth here because chalo, okay, let do it for your conclusion, that is 4 into L plus 4 into breadth plus 4 into height, but the dimension of breadth and the height are exactly same. Yes, both are same. So when we put the values, we can see here 4 into 30 plus 4 into 25 plus 4 into again 25. Yes, or we can write directly, since these are the same, so we can write also 4 into 30 plus 8 into 25. Yes, so to make you understand, I have written this. Yes, now just multiply, that will equal to 120 plus 8 into 25, that is equal to 200, and yes, that is equal to 320 centimeter. So this is the tape, length of the tape that is used in joining the edges or pasting the edges. Yes, I hope it is clear. Thank you, students.